Alright, hello, welcome back to another video on this channel. This video was also recorded a year or so ago, but in this video, I have basically interviewed a friend who works in fast food to actually know what do people have to do if they're working in fast food. Because like myself and a lot of you watching, we have never worked before in our country. We have never worked in fast food, nor do we know how to work or how to get the job. So this is what the video does. It basically explains how to get that job, what you have to do you need to have any prerequisite knowledge, how much do you get paid, most important question. So yeah, stick through, watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello, welcome back to a new video. And today, where are you working, Aryan?
OTR Mawson Lakes, but under that Apotos.
Represent OTR. But yes, so he works at a fast food restaurant called Apoto.
Yep.
That's technically under OTR, right?
Yeah.
And
In South Australia.
in South Australia. Thank you very much. But again, you're still a student, so you're only eligible to work 24 hours a week.
Not right now. I've finished my uni. I'm taking as much shifts as possible. But yeah, initially, just 24.
But generally, like, what is the sort of working hours or opening hours for Apoto, and like how many people are working in one day?
For a shift manager, it opens at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay.
The store opens for the public at 10. But
Yep.
Before that, it's all the preps for the day.
Yep.
And we close at 12. And for the closing staff, for all the cleaning, that's done till 1 a.m.
Basically, the manager starts at 8:30,
Yeah.
and then is pretty much alone till 9.
Mm-hmm.
And then the first shift worker starts at 9.
10 actually.
10. And then when does their shift end?
So the manager usually does 8 to 3 or maybe 8 to 5, and 10 to 3 for another worker, and then 12 to 6 someone else joins in because of the lunch rush. From 12 to 2 there must be 3 people in store, so that's why. After that it's 3 to 11, 5 to 9, 5 to 10. Depends on on the days.
So basically, if you're looking at it, in one day, probably 5 to 6 different employees are working.
You can say more than that maybe.
Okay. All right. So next question: how did you get this job?
One of my family friends was actually a manager here, so networking references. That's the key, isn't it?
And then, like, what if someone doesn't have any family friends or references? How are they supposed to apply?
Usually, whenever there is a vacancy, there is a page called otrcareers.com.au.
Okay.
So all the vacancies for all the stores that are under OTR go up there, and people apply from that.
And are there any certificates or anything that you're supposed to, like, for example, अगर RSA या bartending के लिए कुछ, तो
all of the training is given on shift from because we make coffees in store as well. So from barista training to making burgers, front of house, everything is done on shift.
And what does the menu look like?
So basically, we are. I don't want to say copy, but we are pretty similar to what Nando's is. Chicken being a supreme ingredient in everything. Yep. So we go for spicy chicken. That's the main thing.
Okay. And whoever
Grilled chicken.
is can only eat or work around halal chicken. All of their chicken is halal. So whoever in the audience can only work around halal chicken, it's a good place to work at, right?
Yeah, definitely.
And next question would be, is there any preparation that you have to do before shift? So like, now that you're running late for shift, it's about 6:15 and we were supposed to start at 6. So is there any preparation that you have to do? Do you have to wear anything? Do they give you the the uniform?
Yeah, we've got our uniforms. Yeah, so for the evening shifts, we don't really have to prepare anything. We've got all of us. We've got our uniforms. So some people come wearing it, some people come and change. But yeah, nothing much to prepare really for the evening shifts. In the morning, you've got to come on time. You've got to do all the preps on time, because when the store starts, you have to make sure everything is ready to serve the customers. Other than that, for evening shifts, I have to do a lot of things after staying back in the store when the store is closed, to
Like what?
basically
Clean.
turning off all the stoves, all the electricity, gas, cleaning everything, sorting out everything, all the date checks, temperature checks of everything before going.
So, and you have to make it ready for the people who are starting next
Tomorrow
morning
in
as
the
well.
morning, yeah.
Okay, sorted. Alright, so we're here at Apoto. And he's right there. So, one question that I didn't ask you was, like, what is the pay rate like?
Depends on casual and permanent part-time contracts and full-time contracts. I'm on a part-time contract, so I've got a different pay rate. Casuals usually get around $29 an hour. That's on weekdays, and around $40 on weekends, Saturdays and Sundays.
$40, and does that differ in terms of hours as well, like if you work after 5 or before 5?
That's on permanent part-time contracts. Otherwise, for casuals, it's the same throughout.
And what is the work like? So for example, now that you're at front, you won't be making burgers or anything, or is it all round?
So, one of the special things about the Apotos or any other stores under OTR is what I feel is we train people to work all around the store. So if a person is fully trained, once certified as fully trained, knows how to do front as well, production as well, fireside as well, everything. So yeah.
Alright, so do they hire a lot of international students?
Yeah, they do.
How many Apoto restaurants are there in the whole of Adelaide?
You must know that, you've worked at all of them.
I think there are around 12, and there are around like 9 to 10 of them are under OTR.
Okay, and what about Melbourne and Sydney?
I don't have any idea about that.
You?
There are plenty, man. It started in Sydney.
Yeah.
Apoto has originated from Sydney, so that's a fine dine restaurant. Ours is a fast food chain, which OTR has converted into. You didn't know that?
No, I didn't.
And how is
We've got dishes to serve people. How we do.
Yeah.
how is the general experience like? Like, are you happy or?
Yeah, it's been a good experience overall.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. I don't know about you. We have great food.
I'm happy on Thursdays, definitely. That's when the pay comes.
And like what? So is it fortnightly pay or weekly pay?
Yeah, it's weekly.
That's one of the perks as well then.
Yeah, I think so.
Lovely. So that was basically a day in the life of a person working in fast food, specifically in Apoto. Comment down below if you like what sort of occupations you want to see.